Hey guys, Paintball Masquerade here. I'm just doing a drop test with frozen paintballs and non-frozen paintballs. I'm going to show you what they look like what the paint looks like when it's frozen and how different it is. So, get a few frozen ones. And a few frozen ones right here. This is about chest height. Break. 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 I don't know if that one broke. Break. Break. Wait, did that break? Nope, that didn't break. Break. Now, if you can see, the paint is gooey. It's not really like painty. It's more gooey than it normally is. It's very gross. Just see, it's not liquidy. It's nasty. So we'll do a quick test with the non-frozen paintballs, which are right here. So, chest height, no break, no break, no break, no break, no break. And I'll show you how much force it takes to really break this. It broke. See? It broke. And as you can see, it's a lot more liquidy. See? More liquidy. Not as gooey. So that's what happens when paint is frozen. If I had a really crappy gun, I would shoot the frozen balls and show you what happens, but it can damage your gun. I don't feel like damaging my invert. So yeah, there you go. Thanks guys.